So we bought this desk for my son. He's 8. He likes to game a lot. It's got a lot of storage, little bin to put controllers in, games if you wanted, lots of room for different systems if you want to put different systems in. As you can see, we just put them right on top. An extra spot just to put the monitor or a TV screen, whatever you prefer. And then the lighting is a nice touch. It's super cute. You can change the color of the lighting. Right now I have it on like a purpley pink. We can switch it to blue.
Together, all the instructions are included in there, and you got the light on it, you've got the little pouch on it, very easily assembled. I just put this together myself. It says 2 people possible, but I was actually able to do it. And here's the little plugs it goes to and everything, and you got the lighting. Awesome, my son will love this. And then you can change his colors, and right here are the settings on the lights. So that's awesome for his gaming computer as well as his stuff, and it's perfect. Easily, like I said, I assembled this myself, and it's very easy to do.
As you can see, it's still a little dirty around in here, but you know, you know me. But yeah, I pretty much set up everything. Both of the monitors work, and you know, I put the trash can under there, wiped the top of it because it was looking disgusting, and you know, I'm just picking up where I left, and this is the wall. Again, I wish I would have added different color palettes to it because it would have made it stick out more.
By day one, you let a nigga talk on my name and you don't say nothing. Mama say them boys ain't solid, you leave 'em alone. You know they